Hello everyone, myself Krishna Mehra, your educator for research methodology in statistics, and welcome to conceptual psychology. Today we will be covering another topic, that is skewness and kurtosis. हमने mean, median, standard error अभी नहीं पढ़ा है. Mean, median we have studied. Dispersion we have studied. Normal distribution, binomial distribution we have studied. Today we will focus on skewness and kurtosis. So every distribution, हमने distributions पढ़े अभी तक. Every distribution has a central tendency. Where is the center? कि एक central value है और data की tendency है to move towards that central value. Then we studied measure of dispersion. How spread out is the data? How scattered is the data around central tendency? That is measure of dispersion. Now shape. Every distribution has a shape. What pattern does the data follow? Data क्या pattern follow कर रहा है? So यहाँ पर two factors आते हैं, skewness and kurtosis. Skewness is basically symmetry या हमें asymmetry बताता है, and kurtosis tells us tailedness and peakedness of a distribution. Skewness is a measure of asymmetry and kurtosis measure the tail heaviness, or we say tailedness and peakedness. These two characteristics. Now skewness. Skewness is the degree of asymmetry in a frequency distribution. A distribution is skewed when one tail is longer than the other. जब भी हम NPC बनाते हैं, normal probability curve, there are two tails, 1 and 2, and they are both equal in length. जब भी skewness होगा, so one tail will be longer. One tail will be longer than the other, and hence we can say that our data is skewed. कैसे होगी one tail? Like this or like this. One tail is longer than the other. Then we can say that our data is skewed data, or the distribution is skewed. अब skewness के भी types होते हैं. सबसे पहला तो हम symmetrical distribution पढ़ते हैं. Symmetrical, again it is like an NPC where हमने property पढ़ी थी, mean is equal to median is equal to mode. यहाँ पर दोनों center पर lie करता है, and यहाँ पर mirror images form होती है. 50% data इधर है, 50% इधर है. These are mirror images. There is no skewness. यहाँ पर symmetrical है तो इधर कोई skewness नहीं है. It is not skewed. Example, IQ scores or adult height. Like this. A symmetrical distribution with zero skewness. A distribution is symmetrical when the two halves are mirror images. This half and this half are the mirror images of each other around the center. Center के around. Center पर we have mean. Mean is equal to mode is equal to median in our normal curve. No skewness, equal tails on both sides. Tail का जो length है वो equal है on both the sides because they are symmetrical also, and hence they will be equal. Now positively skewed. Skewed मतलब एक तरफ. जब भी हम नंबर लाइन पढ़ते हैं, यहाँ पर 0 होता है, यहाँ पर पॉजिटिव होता है, यहाँ पर नेगेटिव होता है. दिस इज जस्ट टू रिमेंबर, जब टेल हमारा पॉजिटिव साइड की तरफ लंबी हो, when it is longer in the positive direction, it is called positively skewed. Our data or data set is positively skewed. Right tail, ये right की तरफ है, ये right वाली tail is longer than the left tail due to the presence of few unusually high values. For example, आपने एक टेस्ट दिया क्लास में and test was very tough, तो बहुत सारे बच्चों के मार्क्स हैं वो कम आए हैं. Only few students are there who scored very high. So it is positively skewed. It is right skewed. Long tail extend towards the right. Most observations are concentrated on the left. क्योंकि टेस्ट बहुत टफ था तो सबके मार्क्स बहुत कम रेंज में आ रहे थे. So most of the observations are concentrated on the left. Contains a few extremely high scores or outliers. कुछ बच्चों के फिर भी मार्क्स हाई आए तो इसीलिए कुछ आउटलायर्स की फ्रीक्वेंसी ज़्यादा है जिनकी वैल्यू काफ़ी हाई है. द मीन इज पुल टुवर्ड्स द राइट टेल. जो मीन है वो आउटलायर्स की तरफ खिंच जाता है. इट इंडिकेट्स पॉजिटिव स्क्यूनेस. स्क्यूनेस की वैल्यू इज ग्रेटर देन 0. फॉर एग्जाम्पल पॉजिटिवली स्क्यूड में द टेल extend towards the positive or right side, so it is also called right skewed. And when we were studying NPC, we have already studied this कि जो peak होता है, peak is always mode, the highest frequency, and the median is something which divides the data into two equal halves, and mean for this skewed data is shifted to the outliers. Outliers are on the right side, so mean is shifted towards the right side. So we can say that mean has the highest value, then there is median, and then there is mode. So this is something we have to remember. Mean is greater than median, is greater than mode. Most individuals have low to moderate scores while only a few have very high scores. Here we can see creating a long right tail. This we have to remember. Positively means right skewed we have to remember. Now this is most of the scores are on left, so the frequency, the mode will be this. Median which divides the data into two equal halves, and mean is shifted towards right and has a long tail. Long tail on the right due to few extremely high scores. Relationship is this that we have to remember, and skewness is greater than 0. It is greater than 0. It is positive value. Characteristics again, if we have to revise, long tail on the right side, majority observations are on the left side, few extremely high scores, mean is pulled towards the right tail, and skewness coefficient is positive. So this is positively skewed distribution or right skewed distribution. Negatively skewed. Negatively skewed, the left tail is longer. इसका opposite हो जाएगा. Left tail is longer than the right tail. Suppose the exam was very easy. Easy था तो बहुत सारे लोगों ने high score किया है और बहुत कम है जिन्होंने low score किया है. Most observations are concentrated on the right. Contains a few extremely low scores. कुछ low scores हैं, ये outliers जो है वो low scores हैं यहाँ पर. The mean is pulled towards the left tail. Mean is always pulled towards the outliers, and mean जो है वो इस बार left की तरफ shift होगा. And skewness is less than 0, that is negative. It is negatively skewed or left skewed. If we have to plot this, so it is something like this. And firstly we will plot the mode. Here it is median and mean is here. So through this figure we can say the mode has the highest value, then median, and mean has the lowest value. This we have to remember. जैसे हमने कहा कि scores on easy examination, कोई examination जो था वो easy था. Employee performance ratings where most employees perform well. और examples हो सकते हैं customer satisfaction ratings with predominantly satisfied respondents. तो है वो left skewed हो जाएगा. बहुत कम customers हैं जिनका rating negative या अच्छा नहीं है. Most individuals obtain high scores while only few obtain very low scores, creating a long left tail. A distribution is negatively skewed when the tail on the left of the distribution is longer. यहाँ पर है mode highest frequency है, median middle में है और mean lowest है. This is the relationship. It is negatively skewed, and just to revise, the characteristics are long tail on the left side, majority of observations are on the right side, few extremely low scores, mean is pulled towards the left tail, and skewness coefficient is negative.